All right, so I'm going to show you how you can go about making your teacher appreciation poster inside Canva. Okay, so you have a couple options of doing this. One, when you get to the home page of Canva, and it looks like this, you can click templates, and then you can type what type of template you're looking for. So if I'm looking for, if I do teacher appreciation poster, it's going to populate pre-built templates that Canva already has in its system. If you find one that you like, you can click it, customize this template, and then you can go ahead and start making it your own as far as like adding different elements. If you want to add, let me move this out of the way. If you want to add a frame to add the photo, right, you can add that there, and then you can add a photo into it. You can change the elements, colors. If you go to brand, you have Orange Vista's branding kit here, so it's all of the logos for Orange Vista, and it automatically will add it, and then you can kind of shuffle through. Fonts, all the logos, right? So it's just easy to kind of plug and place and then change the text and the fonts to whatever you want it to do to reflect your teacher. You're creating it for your teacher that is your favorite teacher or just someone who's had an impact on you while you were here at Orange Vista. So you should know that teacher pretty well as far as like their interests and hobbies. So maybe even think about tailoring your design towards that. Another way to go about it instead of looking at templates is using the Canva AI feature. So if you click this, you can type what you want. So if I type in, I want a teacher appreciation poster for my favorite teacher. She teaches math and loves sports. Leave some space for me to add a photo of her on the design, and press OK. It'll go ahead and start generating some templates for you. It may take a minute, but I think it's the cool part. After it generates the designs, and give it a minute. Takes a minute and it'll generate, here we go, it'll start to generate multiple options. Now these are very generic looking as far as the colors and fonts and everything, but they're good starting points, right? So even if I wanted to use this one here, I can apply branding kit, right? So if I click apply branding kit, it'll automatically apply Orange Vista's colors and fonts and logos and things like that to give you even like a better starting point. So if I click apply branding kit, I choose which one. I choose Orange Vista, submit. And then it says it's going to use Orange Vista's branding kit on the design. And then it's saying that it's going to include math and sports elements to the best of its ability. And these are great starting points, right? Maybe this is a little bit too generic. Maybe you like something like this. So if I were to click this one or even this one, I like a couple of these. So if I were to click this one, or if you like one of the ones that it made with the branding kit already, it doesn't really matter. You click one using Canva editor, and now you're back to edit, and then you can always add the branding kit from here. So if I just go brand kit, colors, okay, And you can see this back element it's like one full layer, so that is a little bit of an issue. So maybe it would be better if we went back here, chose one of these, right? So if I choose, let's do this one, I can always go back here and shuffle around the school colors. I can still go add different elements. So if I want to search elements that include like math, oops, math, I can't type. You get like little graphics, and you can get little clip art items for you to kind of add, and then you're just making it your own. It's a good template, but then you're obviously you want to tailor it more towards the teacher. And that's it. When you're done, you would go to share, and then you would go to download as a PN. Actually, you would do it as PDF print, and then make sure it says RGB, and then download, and then that's what you would turn in. All right.